Okay, our today's speaker is Hamna Roof. She is a seventh semester horticulture student who has a lot of experience in post-harvest management of horticulture crop. Her topic of presentation is packaging operation of horticulture commodities.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hamna Rauf and I am going to present the packaging operations necessary for the horticulture commodities and for increasing their shelf life and the production costs.
Okay.
I am going to present the study that was and the review that was performed in the Nepal. According to it, I will explain the following content of the research paper: abstract, intro, marketing system, pack house and pack house and pack house operations, cold chains, and the results proposed by the University of the Nepal. In the abstract and in the conclusion, they proposed that production and vegetable Nepal has made domestic demand. They produce more domestic demands, but due to inadequate packaging and the inadequate maintenance of the packaging houses, they don't propose or don't perform the such operations that will support their um, post-harvest operations or post-harvest production or the profitability. In intro, they tell us the researcher proposed that fruit production has increased from 575,059 to 1018,308 million tons. It is enough production for Nepal, but due to as there are no packaging house or packaging materials or transporting systems proposed by the researchers are not practically applicable implement, so they suffer from a great loss. Here I would like to explain the what is packaging and what role packaging plays in the making the profits of the horticulture commodities. Packaging refers to the packaging refers to any material or the container or any operation that we applied for the storage of the horticulture commodities or any edible portions. The marketing system, the researchers said that the marketing system of the Nepal also play an important role in the implementation of the packaging systems. Small producers struggle to access market directly. Pack house like pre-cooling, sorting and cold storage will improve the market. एग्रो मैनप्स पैक हाउस ये इनका एक प्रोजेक्ट था नेपाल में that was this project is the cold chain project which was successful in fruit marketing. The researcher that he proposed the pack house and pack house operation for the essential operations are these are proposed by their research. A pack house is where pre-storage and transport operations are performed, washing, sorting और packing. इसमें आ जाता है washing, फिर हम उसका cleaning करते हैं, trimming करते हैं, sorting, grading, waxing, chemical treatments, pre-cooling and packaging. The next operation is the trimming, which is necessary to perform the packaging operations. Trimming is the removal of the undesirable portions and roots, increase shelf life because the content of the rotten or damaged part is prohibited and it promotes the healthy healthy maintenance of the commodity. The next step is the sorting and grading. In sorting, we remove the off-size, diseased, or damaged produce. In grading, categorized by size, shape, and color and defects. The point here is notable the notable point is here that the grading is done on the market demands. If our market demands is according to the taste, then the grading is done according to taste. And if our target market is interested in the size or is interested in the size, then we done grading according to the large, medium, or small. Cutting, the process of thickening skins and healing wounds. It's also the important function in the packaging operations. It increases the storage and shelf stability, and it is applied according the research proposed that the potatoes avoid rotting during the cold storage by performing the cutting operations. After performing all these above operations, the packaging operations will be the operation of packaging is facilitated by these operations, and the material used in the packaging will also help to maintain the long shelf life and or easily handling of the post-harvest systems. Packaging also include the pre-cooling. The pre-cooling removes the field heat and cooling before transport. By removing the field heat, we can protect our commodity from rotting or deterioration and other methods. The methods used in the pre-cooling are hydrocooling, vacuum cleaning, forced air cooling, and icing. These methods are selected according to our interest and according to our the facilities available at our research institute. The cold storage, the packaging systems are kept in the cold storage for their long and for their long shelf lives, and modified atmosphere packaging plays a crucial role in this context. Conclusion: this study was done in the Nepal University, and they proposed their study according to their productivity and productivity and availability of the packaging operations. And last, the researcher proposed that the packaging system plays a crucial role, and it should be according to the cutting, cooling, and other operations that should be adopted by a horticulture or post-harvest managers or the field workers. The two persons play important role. The introduction of the farmer, that how should the harvesting and packaging affect all the horticulture produce, and the post harvest operator, that the person that will be performing post harvest operation in future. So I will conclude my discussion here that keeping in point the research of the Nepal, um, should be proposed that the horticulture commodity should, according to the that research, and to increase our production or profitability and the shelf life of the our horticulture produce. Thank you.
What is pack house? ओके, इसमें जो डाटा जनरेट हुआ था उसको एनालाइज कैसे किया, डाटा कैसा था, कोई ग्राफ श्राफ नहीं थे इसमें, जनरल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन। ओके, ये सारी चीजें आपने वहां से ली उस पेपर से, पेपर का है कोई किधर है? इधर हम अगर खोल सकते हैं उस पेपर, हाँ भेज दे मुझे। ये है पैकेज हाउस एंड चेन अप्रोच फॉर कमर्शलाइजेशन। इसमें ये प्रोसीडिंग है, अच्छा, मार्केटिंग सिस्टम है। एक्सीलेंट, ये पेपर आपका ठीक है, बेहतरीन है। प्रोसीडिंग क्या होती है? अब ये देखो, प्रोसीडिंग ऑफ नेशनल हॉर्टिकल्चर सेमिनार काठमांडू। ये कॉन्फ्रेंस जो होती है ना, कॉन्फ्रेंस उसकी जो प्रेजेंटेशंस होती है उनकी ये प्रोसीडिंग्स होती है, वो भी आपकी पब्लिकेशन ही कंसिडर होती है। ठीक है, तो इसलिए ये इन्होंने, नहीं जी, गुड हो गया, एक्सीलेंट।